Apples are one of the most popular fruits, loved for both their taste and nutrition. They are packed with vitamins, dietary fiber, flavonoids, and a variety of antioxidants that benefit our health. These compounds not only help prevent cancer and strengthen blood vessels, but also boost the immune system. Today, let's take a look at how eating apples can purify the blood, protect your blood vessels, and a simple recipe you can try. Why apples are great for your blood. Apples contain abundant flavonoids and fiber, which play a big role in blood and vascular health. These compounds help remove harmful LDL cholesterol by binding to it and flushing it out of the body. This improves circulation and lowers the risk of stroke and arteriosclerosis. According to a study published by the American Stroke Association, which tracked about 20,000 adults for 10 years, people who ate apples regularly had a 52% lower risk of stroke compared to those who didn't. So how can we make apples even more effective? By eating them in a salad with onions and nuts. Onions are rich in quercetin and sulfur compounds, which relax hardened or narrowed blood vessels. Nuts, loaded with unsaturated fatty acids, help reduce triglycerides and prevent blood from becoming thick and murky. Together, apples, onions, and nuts create a synergy. Apples and nuts cleanse the blood. Onions widen the blood vessels so that clean blood circulates better. Healthy fats in nuts also help dissolve fat-soluble nutrients in apples and onions, making them more absorbable. Apple salad for healthy blood and vessels. Ingredients for 2 servings: 1 apple, 1/4 onion, 1 handful of nuts, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons plain yogurt. Wash the apple thoroughly and julienne it with the skin on. Apple peel is rich in pectin, which is great for digestion and cholesterol control. Slice the onion thinly and soak it in cold water for at least 10 minutes to reduce pungency. In a bowl, combine apple, onion, crushed nuts, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, and 3 tablespoons yogurt. Mix well and serve. Mayonnaise, in moderation, contains choline, which helps burn calories, as well as lecithin and ovomucoid, which reduce cholesterol absorption. Plain yogurt, without added sugar, supports digestion and nutrient absorption. This salad is crunchy, sweet, and refreshing, perfect as a side dish or healthy snack. Apples are not only good for your blood, but also for lung health, weight control, and skin beauty. Eating one daily is a great idea. However, because apples are rich in fiber, eating them late at night may stimulate the intestines and disturb sleep. It's best to enjoy them during the day. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video with more useful health information. Eat smart, live strong,